Hey guys, Dama here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me putting my vanity together, which is actually going to be in the space right here behind me. So we're going to dive right into that, and I am super excited about this. I already put together the desk and the drawers that I'm going to have in this little area. So I'm just gonna record me placing it, but you guys are going to go with me along for the ride of organizing my drawers, putting together more or less my decorations and my vanity all together. So thank you so much for joining me and hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so for my vanity, I purchased the famous Alex drawer, but this one is the one that comes with the table along with it, and the table measures 47 inches and a quarter, and my space was only 46 inches, so I had to get the end of that table cut so it could fit perfectly, as you can see here. And I will link actually down below the table and the Alex drawer. It is a set that they sell together. I believe it was for $106, but I will link it down below if you're interested in purchasing this. And the stool that I have under the table is actually a piece that I purchased at Ross, I think for like $25 or something like that. Obviously for Ross it's a little more difficult to link that stuff, but that's where I purchased that. But eventually I actually end up changing my chair, and I'll show you guys that on part 2 video because this is part 1. Right here I'm just going through all of my things from my previous vanity that I had, and I'm just trying to get all my drawers organized with all of my things. I actually did a huge purge pretty much during this time. I was getting rid of a lot of things that were old makeup or things that I realized that I never really used, so I actually gave a lot of makeup away too. As we go on through this video, at the end of it, I will show you guys how I organize each drawer. So hang on tight, and we're going to go through that in a little bit. Alrighty guys, let's get down to business. In the first drawer here, I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. I have a serious obsession with eyeshadow palettes, so the collection only keeps growing. And in the second drawer here, I have all of my contour and highlights and all that stuff. So this is one of my favorite contour palettes and my favorite Anastasia highlight palette. I also have all my setting powders, bronzers, and liquid highlights in here. In the third drawer, I have more of a variety. I have all of my blushes in the back side right here. I obviously don't owe too many. Then I have my primers. All my lashes are in the back. These are all my foundations, eyeliners, lash glue, sorry I drew a blank, and then some of the pigments I have. And these are all setting powders, setting sprays. I need to get it together. In the fourth drawer here, this is more random stuff. I have like all of my makeup bags in this little bin here. I have all the little samples I pick up at stores or that I get in my packages. And then I also have little mini eyeshadow palettes back here. And as you can see, also like the body cream or shimmers, however you want to call it, and the products to clean my brushes. And in the last drawer, this one is more of a random drawer. So you can see I have more eyeshadow palettes, lashes, lip gloss, all kinds of stuff here. We can call this kind of like my trial and error drawer because these are things I've tried that work and don't work for me, or I'm still trying to test and all that good stuff. So on my desk I have my 2 favorite eyeshadow palettes displayed, a Sephora bag as part of the decor because let's be honest, I'm there all the time. This drawer accessory, I keep all my lipsticks, lip glosses, concealers, and mascara. I also keep all my beauty blenders up here, eyeliners, and brushes. I have that mirror that I purchased at IKEA, my laptop because this is also where I do my editing, and then my stool. And there you have it. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed organizing with me the drawers and setting up the desk. I still have to do some more addition to the desk and add the lights, the mirror, and some more decor. So stay tuned for phase 2 of this video. For now, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Mwah.